Soldier position. Let us start with the soldier position, where you lie flat on your back with arms resting naturally at your sides. This is widely considered the ultimate posture for spinal alignment, keeping your neck and back in a neutral zone and relieving pressure on joints. It is also fantastic for your skin, preventing sleep creases since your face stays free of pillow friction. The main drawback? Snoring. Gravity pulls the tongue backward, which can block airways, making it tricky for anyone dealing with mild apnea. Back sleeping. You remain on your back, but your arms are raised up near your head, and your legs are wide open, like a starfish spread. While your spine enjoys the same support as the first pose, your shoulders take a hit. Raising your arms restricts proper blood flow and compresses the rotator cuff muscles, which can easily lead to morning stiffness, numbness, or shoulder aching. Fetal position. Moving on to the fetal position, a variation of side sleeping and the most common posture globally. It helps drastically reduce snoring and sleep apnea, and doctors frequently recommend it during pregnancy. However, curling up too tightly restricts your diaphragm, resulting in shallow breathing and unnecessary joint strain. Keep your limbs relatively loose for the best results. Log position. Fourth is the log position. Your body is fully extended on its side with arms straight down the torso. This is an exceptionally healthy setup. Your spine stays wonderfully elongated and breathing remains unobstructed. It even aids digestion, particularly if you rest on your left side. The catch? You will likely experience a numb bottom arm from the sustained body weight, so swapping sides occasionally is key. Fifth is the yearner. You sleep on your side with both arms extended out in front of you. The spinal perks match other side positions, but reaching forward creates high tension in the shoulder blades and puts intense pressure on the lower shoulder joint. Slip a small pillow between your arms to restore circulation and ease the tension. Left side versus right side. Now, let us look at left side versus right side. Sleeping on your left is generally superior, because your stomach and pancreas naturally sit on that side, optimizing digestion and cutting down acid reflux. Right side sleeping, conversely, can aggravate heartburn for sensitive individuals. The primary exception here is people with specific heart conditions, who often find resting on the right side much more comfortable. Stomach sleeping. Frankly, this is the most destructive posture for your body. Your neck stays violently twisted at a 90-degree angle for hours, leading to severe headaches and neck spasms. Your lower back also suffers from an unnatural inward arch, and your lungs struggle against the mattress compression. Number 8. Pillow hugging. Embracing a full-length pillow while sleeping on your side helps anchor your upper shoulder in a neutral position, taking tremendous load off your joints. Beyond the physical alignment, it delivers a distinct psychological boost, reducing stress and triggering comfort hormones like oxytocin. Combination sleeper. These are people who constantly shift postures throughout the night. Frequent switching helps distribute physical pressure evenly across different body parts. However, excessive tossing and turning can fragment your deep sleep stages. As long as it is not triggered by hidden pain or discomfort, natural shifting is completely normal. Elevated sleeping. Raising your upper body between a 30 to 45-degree angle using a wedge pillow is a game changer for anyone fighting acid reflux or chronic nasal congestion. Gravity naturally keeps stomach acid where it belongs while keeping your airways clear. Try experimenting with these adjustments tonight to wake up completely refreshed.